This Vrat Wale Aloo or Vrat Wale Jeera Aloo makes a delicious and satisfying sweet and tangy snack or a delightful side dish that is great for fasting days. Imagine crispy peanuts and tender potatoes tossed together with spices. It's a flavor explosion that will make your taste buds dance. Let's get started. First, dry roast the peanuts in a pan until they turn golden brown and nice. Put them on a plate and let them cool completely. Once they are cool, rub them with a paper towel to get rid of skin. After that, use a strainer to discard the skin. Now your roasted peanuts are ready. Add them to a blender and make a coarse mixture. Set it aside. Next, peel and dice boiled potatoes. Also chop green chilies. Now heat some oil or ghee in a pan. Once it's hot, add the cumin seeds and let them splutter. Then add the chopped green chilies and saute for a minute. Now add the crushed peanuts and cook them for 1 minute over medium-low heat. Add the boiled and diced potatoes to the pan and mix everything well with the chilies and cumin. Cook it for 2-3 minutes over medium-low heat while stirring occasionally. You can also mash the potatoes a little with a spatula. Now sprinkle in some rock salt or Sendha Namak and red chili powder or black pepper powder to your taste. Mix well so everything is coated with peanuts and spices. Cook for another 2-3 minutes on medium-low heat. Then add some sugar for sweetness and fresh lemon juice for a tangy flavor. Adding sugar is completely optional. Mix it again and cook for 1 more minute. Finally, sprinkle with chopped cilantro and give it a good mix. Transfer this delicious mixture to a serving dish and garnish it with more chopped cilantro. Enjoy your Vrat Wale Aloo hot as a tasty snack during fasting, or serve it as a yummy side dish with Vrat Wale puri or roti. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Happy cooking!